Odin, are you ready to run, buds?
Run.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Odin Angel. My name is Angel and here's Odin. And what are you doing? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today we're going to be doing a little miniature shopping haul. We got some things from Amazon. Odin, are you excited? Yep, we're already smelling it. Okay, anyways, we're going to be doing a miniature shopping haul. Before we get started, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. Odin, you ready? Now let's get started. So the first thing we got is canine carry-out treats. Y'all already know he's obsessed with that and he's already smelling it. Calm down, look at something. Another piece. You already know how much he likes this. La la, we got some chicken. Odin, you excited to try it? Seriously? You're so cute, I just cannot stop. Like, oh my god. Okay, good. Okay, final piece. Just because you're cute. That's a compliment. Okay, good boy. Okay, also that treat testing was a success. The final item we actually got for the park were some boots. Odin, you got some boots. Wow. Also, let me show you how it looks. I love the packaging, it's so cute. Okay, so we got some. Oh, they're so adorable. Oh, that's so cute, y'all. And then we have these little grips at the bottom to make sure that he doesn't slip. Isn't that cute? You want to try it on? Oh, don't eat it. Isn't that so cute? I'm excited to try them on. They're so cute. Okay, let's try them on. So first we need to open this little Velcro. Yeah, you're interested. Okay. Okay, y'all. So someone had attitude problems, but we fixed it. He has his little shoes on. They're so adorable. Ah, look at that. Oh no, come on. You are so adorable. Come on, Odin. Hey, come here. Yay! You are so good. Here you go. Come on. You are so cute, Boo. Come on, Odin. Yeah. Good boy. You are so cute. He looks so cute, y'all. He's ready for the park. Stay tuned for that vlog because we're going to go to the park. Right, Odin? Okay, he's a little bit happy. Anyways, bye. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and share and subscribe. Bye. We'll see you in the next video. Woo!